Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets.
I am finally going to be sharing the long-awaited shared nursery transformation, nursery makeover, whatever you guys want to call this video. So welcome back to my channel today. I'm so excited to finally be sharing the girls' room with you guys. We have been working on this so hard, and it's just really nice to see it finally coming to vision and having it almost completely done. It just feels so good. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, I do have two other kiddos. I have a 5-year-old son named Barrett and a 3-year-old daughter named Savannah, and I am expecting our third baby, a baby girl, due in March. And so we wanted the girls to share a room, but my son had the bigger room, so we did have to switch their bedrooms before we could really get in here and begin the transformation. So here's just the overview of the rooms before we got started. We did go ahead and paint the bedrooms as well. They really just needed a good fresh coat of paint, so I did the same color in both rooms. It is called On the Rocks by Sharon Williams. Beautiful true gray. If you guys are looking for a good paint color for a bedroom, I highly recommend this color. But now we're going to focus on switching the bedrooms. So we basically had to take apart the beds, take all the furniture out, and switch their rooms. We did ask my son and get the okay to do this. I didn't want to put him out or make him feel uncomfortable or that his space was being taken away from him. He was actually really excited to switch bedrooms, and I think he is liking the smaller room a little bit better. It's more cozy for him, and the kids are really loving their new bedrooms.
Standing underneath the lights.
We are feeling very anxious and excited about our new baby. If you guys are new here, this baby was not expected. It was a total surprise, but we are so excited. We were not planning on having any more kids, but of course, life had other plans, and we are just really anticipating our baby girl being here. Everybody is excited, and I am definitely in baby mode. I am 30 weeks pregnant when you guys are watching this video, and so I am doing all of the nesting, all of the cleaning, wanting to get things done. I have a ton of organizing content, bedside nursery, what's in my hospital bag, getting things ready for baby, all of the content coming to my channel this month and next month. So if you guys are not subscribed already, I would love to have you join our family, and that way you guys don't miss those future uploads, because I'm just feeling very excited to share it all and including you guys in this exciting chapter in our lives. And we could just not be more thrilled about this baby girl. We are naming her Maddie, so I don't know if I've already said that in this video, but that will be her name. I did mention that on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me over there, that is where I do most of my updates as far as pregnancy, life, whatever. I don't share too much family stuff here on my channel or really on my Instagram, but I definitely share a lot more on Instagram.
You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all.
I always get questions about how my husband and I met or how long we've been together, and I figured I would kind of just share a little bit about my husband and I and kind of how we created our little family. We actually met on Tinder. Leave me a comment down below if you and your significant other met online, but we met on Tinder. He messaged me first, but at the time I just wasn't really all that interested. But I finally said yes and agreed to going out on a date, and it was honestly the best, easiest first date that I have ever been on. We just went to TGIF Fridays, but I don't know, our chemistry was there from the beginning. It was so easy to talk to him, and it just wasn't awkward. And ever since then, we've been inseparable. Now, we did get pregnant with my son only 2 months into dating, but hey, they say when you know, you know. But I've been very blessed that he is an amazing husband and an amazing father. He is so proactive in our children's lives, and I seriously could not ask for a better partner. He is definitely Mr. Mom sometimes for me. He does all the things for the kids. Whenever I need to work, he is always there to support me and help me every step of the way, and I don't even have to ask him, which is really nice. And it's funny because I never wanted to get married. I never wanted to have kids. That was just not my thing. I never wanted to do any of that. And here we are, married, going on 3 children, joking about a 4th. I don't know if we'll actually ever have a 4th baby. I think if we were in a better place financially and had more space in our home, then we would consider a 4th baby. But I think we're content with the 3 that we will have. But it's just so funny how, you know, you can have one mindset about how you want your life to be, and it can be something completely different. So I'm glad that I took that chance on my husband, because we have this beautiful life together, and it's just crazy that we are having another baby. Like I said, I never thought I would be a mom. I never thought I would be a good mom, but it is something that I don't think I could ever imagine not doing. I love being a mom. I love my kids, and I can't ever believe that I truly thought to myself that I never wanted to be a mom.
Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do.
I decided to keep this clip in here because we could not figure out how to lay out the bedroom. We liked the crib there in the corner, but I was afraid with the curtain and the window and the baby, I just didn't like that scenario at all. So we tried a different layout, and I think it looks a lot better than it did before. And actually, before we started filming this portion of the video, we were already trying to lay it out a separate way. So we tried 3 different ways, but I'm loving the way that it looks now, and I think the arrangement is the best, and it utilizes the space of the room the best, in my opinion. Now it was time to give my daughter a new mattress, so thank you to Lol for sponsoring today's video. We are very excited to work with them again. We actually worked with Lol this time last year, and it was for my husband and I's room, and we love our mattress so much, so we are really excited to work with them again for today's video. I really wanted my daughter to have a high quality mattress. She had that really old dingy spring mattress that we actually just got from a friend, and I really just wanted something more comfortable and more suitable for her, so I was really excited to have the Lol mattress. Now what's great about Lol is they offer a 365 night trial, free shipping, free returns, and a lifetime warranty. And you basically just get a high quality memory foam mattress in a box. They ship it right to your door. Setup is so easy, convenient. You guys can see it right here on the screen. It just expands right in front of your eyes, and boom, you have a mattress. It's the perfect mix of comfort and support, and it has a gel infused layer, so it does keep you cool all night long. I don't get hot in this bed at all, and it is so comfortable. It's like sleeping on a cloud, but still firm enough that you feel like you are not sinking into the bed. Lowell also doesn't use any harmful chemicals or ozone depleters in their products, so you can rest assured that their mattresses are safe and healthy for everybody in your family. I do have a discount code for you guys for $300 off any of the Lowell original mattresses. So if you guys are in the market for a new mattress, I will leave all of the information down below as well as here on the screen. I know with the new year, maybe you're looking for new comfort in your home, and this Lowell affordable mattress is it. I cannot rave enough about this thing, you guys. It is so comfortable, easy, and convenient, and we just love our Lowell so much. So thank you again to Lowell for sponsoring today's video, and I will leave all of that information down below.
Start with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure. No, not like yours.
So it has been a few days since we've been in here filming. The mattress itself takes about 48 hours to finish expanding to its full potential. And it's just kind of a mess in here. I really want to get in here and get the beds together. We did get our Snuggle Me in the mail, which I'm so excited about. And just, it's a mess. We have sheets everywhere. And we are going to be putting up blinds on the windows because I'm honestly not the biggest fan of these curtains. I feel like the white is almost too gray and they blend in with the walls. So I'm going to be returning these blackout curtains. We are just going to put up some blinds. And then I'm just probably going to put up the sheer curtains that I had in Savannah's room for the time being. But yeah, we are just going to get in here and get some stuff going, get things decorated, and getting it looking a little bit more cohesive and more like a nursery and bedroom. I know I showed the comforter in the packaging, but I promised you guys I washed everything before I put it on my daughter's bed. I always wash bedding before I put it on somebody's bed because you never know if something you get in the mail is used or if somebody, you know, just used it and returned it and they didn't wash it. You just never know. So I did go ahead and wash all of that, and I'm just throwing her bed together here really quickly. I got this mattress, or I'm sorry, I got this comforter off of Amazon and I love it. It is really great quality for the price. I wanted more of like a peachy pink color scheme in here rather than like a more bright pink, which is what she had before. And this was the perfect color. And then for Maddie's crib, I got this, what's it called? Crib sheet, also off of Amazon. I love the colors in this so much, the greens and the navy blue and the pink. Now, I did not wash this, but I do plan on washing all of her clothes, all of her blankets, bedding, all of that stuff when she is almost here. I don't have any clothes really for her yet. I'm having my baby shower towards the end of January, and then that's when I will start all of my nursery organization. So definitely look out for that. I'm really excited about it, but that is why I did not go ahead and wash that crib sheet. And then these pillow covers I also got off Amazon. I don't know, you guys, there's kind of a theme here. But I really love these. I did not wash these first, but they're throw pillows, so like, who really cares, you know? And I was kind of going for a floral boho pink theme in here, but not like too over the top. I wanted to keep it simple because the girls' room isn't huge and I didn't want it to feel overly decorated for such a small area, but I thought these pillows were a perfect touch for that, and I just love the way that they look against the pink.
Here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she
This plant was actually down in our living room before we put up our Christmas tree. You guys might recognize it. And I thought it would be perfect for the girls' room because it kind of goes with that like farmhouse boho theme that I'm going for. And I was planning on getting a different plant for the living room anyway, so I figured it would be perfect in here. And then I did just add those little stuffed animals that you guys saw. And now I'm just going to wipe down the dresser, wipe down the mirror, and get things tidied up on here. And I don't have anything on the dresser yet, but I will kind of tell you guys a little bit later in this clip what my plans are for the dresser.
Me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my phone, 'cause I can't move on. Whoa. Why did she go? Whoa.
Alright guys, here is the girls' room. It's not quite done yet. I still have a few things to do in here, but for right now, this is good enough. I will be doing a complete nursery organization video. I'm going to be completely organizing the drawers. The girls' closet is also an absolute disaster. So I'm going to be doing a closet transformation. And then like I said, I'm going to be organizing the dresser, and then I'm going to be organizing that little dresser over there. Just getting everything organized. I still need to get a changing table, pad, and cover, diapers, all of that good stuff. So that will be in that video. And then I also plan on making baby Maddie a name sign. I'm going to do like a round wood sign with her name on it to cover up the nails on the wall that we decided not to patch. But so far I'm absolutely loving it. I think it's coming together really nicely. You guys will have to let me know what you think in the comments down below. Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for the girls' room. I hope that you guys are loving it. It's not done yet, but I do plan on doing a complete shared nursery tour here on my channel very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.